Okay, so get ready, guys, and here we go with today's topic, that is affiliate marketing part two. So yesterday I have taught you somehow with the terms what is affiliate marketing, its importance, its use, its benefit, and then I taught you about how to proceed with Amazon marketing, and then some other platforms I show you, right, in terms of affiliate associate bante kaise hain. So now today I'll be sharing you with some different things, and these are nothing but, yes, definitely the next platform which is highly essential, especially for professionals, for various companies. Okay, कि उसका इस्तेमाल होता कैसे है, right? So that is nothing but email marketing. I hope you have heard about email affiliate marketing. So email, when a term email comes, is so it is somehow clearly mentioning email is something which is used in profession, right? हम professionally किसी को email करते हैं, so that is a platform जो profession के लिए specially बना हुआ है, right? So now how it is going to make affiliated means आप एक साथ एक बड़े रेंज को कैसे पकड़ सको. So it is not important that always email affiliate marketing always directly jumps into making money, but there are certain other terms which is highly important, and this is going to help you in near future. So I will be showing you कि email marketing के लिए different platforms कौन सा है जो हम लोग use करते हैं, right? So let me show you with the search itself. Let's get into the topic. Let's search some platforms for email marketing. See, there will be n number of platforms. Okay, we have many platforms. I mean, I cannot even make you imagine. We have so many platforms. If you see to this question, see, we have iContact, we have MailChimp, we have Aweber, we have Sendinblue. I mean, there are so many, out of which 7 best he's ranking, right? So I will take you to a different place जहाँ पे हम practical सीखेंगे कि email marketing especially for beginners करते कैसे हैं. How do we do? So let's go to the term email marketing, a software which is basically used for email marketing. Okay, so there are many kind of software. Few is Aweber, Aweber. Then we have Drop. Then we have Sendinblue. But I will be showing you today with Sendinblue, right? So let's go with this Sendinblue, and I will teach you step by step every bit of thing. उसको करते कैसे हैं, बनाते कैसे हैं, उसमें इन्वॉल्व होते कैसे हैं, right? So this is the platform जहाँ पे हम email affiliate marketing सीखेंगे, right? हम bunch में कैसे mail कर सकते हैं, अपने templates कैसे share कर सकते हैं, and many more like this, right? See, let's start. And if you can see carefully, so it has written here, prepare for takeoff, take a first test drive, right? So I have already logged in for you. My email has been logged in here. I'll show you. पहले आप देख लो पूरा उसका home page, all features. I mean, there are so many things I'll be sharing with you one on one, right? But initially, see, we have resources. So we have blog, we have help center, plugins, API documents, find an agency. Then what are the features? See, there are so many features. We have communicate, we have personalize, we have convert. So in communicate, we have email marketing, SMS marketing. Then in personalize, we have some higher levels, right? So there are several platforms जो Sendinblue देता है. So if you are a beginner, okay, and you want to learn email affiliate marketing, you want to get into the procedure of email marketing, like how to start with the basics. So let's take a test drive. Okay. So let this get open and then we'll proceed ahead. Okay, it is taking some time, and yes, the page is almost open. So I have created the very new one for you all, right? And I'll show you the steps. So you can see a word campaign here. I'll go to campaign. Okay. So let me tell you, there are certain things that I'll be teaching you. You have to complete the data. You have to give the complete detail here, right? And you can see a tag is coming here. Please fill out your complete form to complete your sign up. So मैंने complete sign up नहीं किया था, so that I can tell you how to sign up. I mean, I wanted to tell you each and every step single to single ताकि आपको कोई भी doubt ना आए. तो मैंने सिर्फ अपने email ID से उसको login किया था. So let's go to my profile first of all. If you can see, I have created only my ID. I'll click on this. Or if you want, I can show you the login procedure itself. So there is nothing big login procedure. They'll ask you to sign up or log in. So if you already have an account, you can go to login step. And if you have no account here, you have to go to, sign up. So let me, if I show you sign up, it will be a big one. Like if you go to option sign up and if you put your email ID and password there, then it will redirect you to your direct email ID, that is to Gmail. फिर वहां से आपको Gmail पे जो भी मेल आया होगा थ्रू सेंडिंग ब्लू, आपको उस पर जाकर क्लिक करना है. उसके बाद वो आपका कंफर्म करेगा कि ओके योर ईमेल आईडी हैज बीन सेलेक्टेड सक्सेसफुली, एंड उसके बाद डायरेक्टली ये पेज खुलेगा जो अभी आपको स्क्रीन पर दिख रहा होगा. And then you have to fill complete details over here. So let's start doing this. So first option is personal information. So पहले हम देंगे पूरा personal information, right? First name Pooja, second name, let me type here. My country is India. I want to give my phone number. I have given, right? Then we have the next one. We have company or organization. So already I have given company name in the initial only. TechCat Services Private Limited. Now it is asking for website. So I'll go with the website URL, techcat.com, or also we can give like this, https://techcat.com. That's it. Okay. Now I have to give street address. So this is 14, comma Jamshedpur, the main market, Jamshedpur, right? So it is asking me for zip code and then city. So zip code I need to really check. I don't remember. Let me check this. Okay, so there are many. So let me take this 831001. Most probably yahi hoga. 831001. 831001, right? And then city again I'll type here. Jamshedpur, right? So I have written this. Now I'll proceed ahead. Country I have given. Now it is asking me for business activity. I have to select a business activity that I do, whether it is e-commerce, software, marketing, services, offline. There are so many, right? So I'll take software and SaaS. So basically this is the initial one. Now size of the company. So how many people are there? So let me take it 2 to 10 employees. How many contacts you have now? and they're asking me that how many contacts do I have now, which I will be using further, to send the email, to use this email affiliate marketing. So let me write here 200. I have 200 currently on a normal basis. I'm taking this, the complete contacts, okay? And then I have to go with I agree to terms of services, this. Now go to complete my profile option. So let this get completed. Now they're asking me to validate my number. Okay. Now there is a code which I have get right now. It's 915243. 915243. I'll click here on tick option. Now this is validating my phone number there. Now look here, the very important one, right? Now what is it saying? We have a free. So this is important. अगर आपको initial में सीखना है, so you have to utilize this current plan, the free one, ताकि आप completely पहले सीख लो, उसके बाद आप बाकी invest करो. So just imagine if you're a beginner. So do you really think you need more than 3 emails per day to send to the people relevant to your data? No, I don't think so. That it will require this much. So simply you can go with this plan, current plan. Okay, that is you have 300 emails per day free. So you have to spend 0 rupees initially. Okay, and then you can take a free trial from here, and you can utilize this to learn some certain things. And then I assure you that you'll be loving this particular software, and you will take the future plans. You can take plans, and certain detail are there. Okay, you can see if you buy this or this, so what are the things which have been given to you, right? So certain details are there. So if you want to select the plan, you can select the plan from here. You want any help, you can help, you can contact them, right? Everything is in detail over here. So now it's done. Now let me go back from here. And we'll be testing it, the free test drive. Now, if I go to my plan option, I'll show you each and every step. My plan option, as you can see here, we have email plans. Free email has been given as I told you 300 per email per day, means out of 300 we can send complete 300 emails per day, that too free of cost. Okay, now if I want to utilize more than 300, then I'll have to pay for that. So once you learn, once you practice things, then you can definitely utilize when you are into profession, you're working, you want to go for email marketing, right? Now second is my profile. I show you senders and IP, then we have plugins, then we have API. Now ये terms अभी आपको थोड़ा भारी लगेगा. You won't be able to get everything in detail about senders and API IP. Still, let me open and show you something. Okay, so if you have knowledge on development field, right? If you have knowledge on development field, if you have complete knowledge, then you can create certain things, you can create your APIs. And if you don't have, then you have to use drag and drop option. Now see, sender, the domain signature is send in blue, the TechEd Services Private Limited, and the email ID has been verified successfully, right? Now if I go to domain, if I want to add a new domain, I can add here, right? If I don't want to add, I'll leave it. Dedicated IPs, I can also get an IP here. Right now I don't have because I created the new one, right? Then we have APIs, then SMTP support, we have settings and user, just genuine one. Now let's go to campaign option, which is important, right? Because campaigning ke through hi we will send so much of emails at a time, right? Now it is asking me to create an email campaign, the very first one, right? So if you can see, you will need to activate your account to send email campaigns. Okay, so I have to activate my accounts. So if I want to see all the steps I can follow here as per the command, लेट मी शो यू, ताकि आप अगर फ्यूचर में कभी भी अप्लाई करो तो आपको प्रॉब्लम ना हो. सी, option 1 was I have to complete my complete profile form. I did that. Now they're asking me to import all my contacts over here. I can import all my contacts over here as per my dashboard, right? So let's go to this option. Let me see what happens, and then I can tell you accordingly. I won't be doing the procedures completely right here. See what I can do if I have a file of few people, okay, with me here. If I have a file which contains all the email IDs and data of various people, then I can upload a file here, or I can copy paste here, right? Any of those file containing the complete data, okay? Or if I don't want to, I'll simply leave it. Now let's go back to campaigns. So all this you have to do before you start doing campaigning, right? Now what was the second step, I mean third step? Let's go to that also. We have schedule your first email campaign, okay, the same one. So let's click on this, let's see what happens. Now see, what do we have here? You have to write your campaign name, okay? Now what should be the campaign name, right? So campaign name means you have to select a particular name of the campaign, that why are you sending such email IDs, because sometimes people won't go and you find all your complete data. वो ऊपर का campaigning में okay, what is it all about? And if they're interested, then only they'll go inside your mails detail and then verify, and then we'll go through. Similarly, you have to give a subject line at least, okay? So this subject line will describe your email content, means what is the complete content is all about. Like if I am writing here, campaign name is about TechCat webinar series, okay? And if I write subject line here as TechCat, subject line will be like, let's take an example of, it would be something like a series of workshops, trainings, and okay, trainings नहीं होता, training, yeah, absolutely, training and course internships, okay, at affordable, okay, not this is not too valid, okay, uh, on various technologies and management, right? So I have given the detail. Or simply, see, example is so good, private sale 25% off on our new collection. So it depends what you want to write, right? It depends. Now, so this will be the email ID which will be used, okay, कि इस email ID से ही जाएगा कुकर. If you want to change, you can change, or if you want to select some other sender, you can select here, okay? If you want to add a new sender, not this email ID, this is the sender that we have created, right? If you don't want to create this, you don't want to use this, we can use this, add a new sender from here. Now see, if you click on add a new sender, again the same page will open, okay, and again you have to add a new sender from here. I already showed you this page. Now name must be given and email ID must be given, okay, and then you can save this. Let me show you how. Let me take again Pooja. Let me take the same name, but I'll change the email ID, okay, 0321 @gmail.com, right? I'll save this. The moment you save this, see, now it is asking me email has sent to this email ID. प्लीज चेक योर इनबॉक्स, राइट। अभी आपको यहाँ पर ईमेल गया होगा और एक्टिवेशन ईमेल के लिए आपको उसको एक्टिवेट करना होगा. So I haven't received any email till now. Let me go to my mail ID. Okay, so right now that email ID I haven't signed in. So the moment I'll sign in the email ID, they'll ask me to update that. Okay, and I have to update it from here. Okay, let me show you. Let me add some other. Let me take some other name and let me show you, because it's highly important. You should know how. See, Preetham. Okay, I'm using this name. I'll be using the email ID of this person. Okay, and I'll try to save. The moment I'll save, again the same message will be displayed here, right? You can see this, and within no seconds I have received the, I have received the activation mail. If possible, let me show you. See, I have got the activation here. If you can see my page, I'll open here, Send in Blue. The mail has been arrived from Send in Blue, right? And the moment I will activate this, I use this button, activate your sender. I'll click on this, activate your sender. Okay, so I would have done this from here itself. I would have done this from here itself. Just give me a second. Right. So, wait, let me open this mail ID. Gmail, let me show you completely here itself. Okay, that would be better for you. Let me open this mail ID here. Okay, it's almost open. It will take a while. Yeah, it's almost uploaded. Now see, you can see the mail ID here, Send in Blue. Right, so I'll click here. It is loading. I'll open the mail from here itself. It is taking some time. Give me a minute, guys. Yeah, now see, I have received this mail ID, right? If you can see, and here it is asking me, I have to confirm and activate my sender. You're receiving this message because GRO, it means this mail ID has requested to use this mail ID, okay, as an email sender in the SendBlue account, okay. So if I click activate your sender, see, it is redirecting here again to Send in Blue. You can see here. See, I have displayed the message. Your email has been confirmed. Now, if you can see here, this has been verified. This has not been verified. He is asking me to verify, not verified. Verify this sender. So if I go to manage, I can either edit this or I can delete this. So let me delete this better, because that is not login with me. I cannot show you, right? So I have these two email IDs that I have used here, right? So I can select any of either to send the mail, right? So let me go back. Okay, now let me cut this. See, I have got the page here. I have got the detail here. Now let me show you. We go back. So I have selected the detail. I have added the new sender. So if I want to change, I can change. Now see, if you click here, Okay, if you want to select a sender from here, why is it not clicking? Okay, I need to go back to this page. And I can select this one. Any of either. Just a second, guys. Okay, can I edit this? It's not redirecting me directly to the page. It is already selected. To help campaign respond your around enter the name. Example, your company name already entered. Why this is not coming? This arrow is not working here. I've already added a new sender. Okay, first let's do the through this, and then I'll be proceeding ahead. Let me go down. And here we go with next step. It may ask me at the end. Now, look here. This is very important. You have to design the tools, right? We have four things here. My templates. What should be the name of the template? Template gallery. Okay. Import a template. So design tools. I'll go to first this option. Now you need to look here. Design tools. Whether you want to use drag and drop. Okay. Drag and drop option. The rich edit texture, you have to edit this or paste your code, whatever you want to do. Through HTML, I told you initially only one must know HTML, else one can use this drag and drop option. So it is up to you how you will be using this, and you have to make it look good. Okay, so let me show you. Now see, it will take some time to load. We have some design elements here, we have some header elements here, we have some comment elements here. Okay, let's make this work. We have some content elements also here. Image gallery is here. Okay, now see, you can design all this, right? I hope you can see this. You can design all this, right? You can put your logo here. So if I want to attach logo, this is the duplicate option. Also, we can write something. See, we can drag and drop our image here. If I want to delete, I can delete this. It is asking me for the notification. I say okay, it will delete this. Right? So this is the new one. If I want to write title here, now see, I want to write take cat. See, it is allowing me to write. Then I'll go with logo. If I'll put here it will ask me to drag and drop. So add an image, I'll go to this option. Now it will directly take me to this page. Now let me go to downloads and let me bring the page if I have any of the picture. I don't think so. I'll be having it right now. Oh, wait, let me go back. This option, downloads. If I have any, I'll show you how to put it. Okay, let's take this. Okay, let's open this. Now it is uploading here. It will take some time. Now see, this is done. Now I have drag and drop. I'll take this and I'll put it here. Give me a minute. Can you see this? Now I have to resize it, right? I have to bring it into some sizes. Now it would be difficult for me a time being. I cannot show you each and every procedure. It will come from practicing only, right? So you can create your marketing part here. See, options are here. Top 20, bottom 20, left, right, whatever you want to make from here. Background color, border radius is also. Add background image if you want to. There are so many things, right? So I have fixed this. If I want to change, I can change this. I want to make it 16. I want to make it 12. Okay, let me take this. Then what will happen? I'll get certain changes here, right? Then this is also again asking me for drag and drop. Put some content here in this page. So again, I'll go to add an image option. Again, I'll go to downloads option. I have some pics there. And I want to put this card. Take it as an option, open. Let this get uploaded. Now see, both the cards are in same size. So sizing also matters. Now if I put this here, it will be uploaded, right? I hope you can see this. Now if you want to add above the text, image above the text or under the text, you can put something here. You want to put link, you want to put caption, or you want to border it. If you'll take border, you have other options here. You can take this, you can remove this. If you want to go for some alignment, you can go left, center, right. Then we have others also. Okay, if you want, you can take. If you don't want, simply go to delete option. Okay, it will be deleted, right? So it's totally upon you. Then company name, every detail has to be given. See, everything is editable. Everything, every bit to bit is editable. Okay, this email was sent to, you receive this email because every detail can be given here, right? So you have to complete this total part. So let's do this so that you can understand the fixings. Now title, what should be the title? So it is all about TSIP 2.0. Okay. Now you have to write some content here. It can be anything. Let me delete this complete part. Okay. Now I'll write on my own. You can see I can type here TSIP 2.0 is an internship platform based on marketing management, right? Full stop. For okay, you can give a detail here. Contact us, kind of. Contact us, colon. You can give your detail here, mail ID. Okay, and button. If you want to personalize it, first name, last name, SMS. Okay, so 7 2 3 4 2 8 1 1, right? So it was like this, right? So what shall be the contact SMS? Contact us. If you want to give any number here, right? Contact us. Done. If you want to leave it as it is. Okay, I've created, and then you can redirect it from here. We have details here which you can edit. The complete company details you can give here. Take cat, enter. Jamshedpur. You can give your mobile number here. Whatever data you want to give. So this is 79923428111, and your email is rohi2512@gmail.com, right? So I'm done here. I've created this. If I want to make it bold, I can go to bold option, but I first of all have to select this. I click on bold. See, it's bold, right? If you want to make it a bit different, you want to take colors, you can take colors too. See, it looks like this, right? So it's totally upon you. You can also give detail here, or else if you want to delete this, you can delete this. For now, I don't want to use it. It will take too much time if I do everything. Right. So this way you have to make it beautiful. Okay. Now let's take an option. Send a test email. Let's take a chance. Let's prepare this. Okay. Test email. To whom you want to send. Let's take an example. I want to send to this. Let's click on send. And if I want to see, it is writing enter one more email address separated by commas. So if I put comma and write another email, it will directly go to another email also, right? So it is sending. You can see the arrow. It is trying to send. Okay. Now it is asking me, please add the new contact to a list before sending them a test. Select a list. Okay. Add and send the test. Now it has been sent. Now let's go to the email, right? Has anything come or not? So initially it takes time when you'll start, a new software. Generally, I don't use Sendinblue. I directly use an email to do the things. Now see, if you can see, look at here. I have received a mail. I mean, this particular mail ID has received a mail. Okay, from TechCat Services Private Limited. See, it has written a test because we have gone for test email. So let's take a test. Let this get loaded. Okay, see, if you can look carefully, right now it is unarranged. I know. TechCat, the detail of cards which I have attached, right? See, you can also give your phone number here, or if you don't want to give, you can remove this, or if you want to let them know, they can use your directly your email ID. You can give a phone number here, contact us. You can redirect your phone number from here. Okay, every detail is given here. So this is the way how we send email marketing. How do we do? And we can make it in a bunch. We can go for bunch always. We can like send up to 300 mails in a day, right? If I want to add something, I can add here, but I don't want to add right now, so I'll leave it as an. Now if you want to save, you can save. You want to load a saved version, you can load. If you want to save and quit, you can simply save and quit. So there are many more things to learn, right? So this is the initial thing which I taught you. Now you need to practice on this step by step. Tomorrow I'll be telling you some more, functions, some more good things, how to size the things, how to bring it into correct size. Because at the moment I was dragging and dropping the things, I show you, right? I've shown you like the sizes one of 1080. So you have to bring it into certain sizes which allows. Okay, if you want to again edit the email content, you can edit here. You can write so many things. You have sufficient space. You want to duplicate something, you can duplicate. You want to add some more pics, you can add there, right? There are many things. Then we have recipients, means mail list is missing, means to whom you want to mail. Then a confirmation, if you'll confirm, it will go to all those people, right? So this is the way how we create. Abhi ke liye see, can you see this, how it looks in mobile format? If I do like this, means ये laptop format आपको show कर रहा है. If you want to make it into mobile format, you can simply make it like this. It will go to mobile form, and this will be the way of representation. See, ऐसे आएगा आपका content किसी के phone में अगर खुलता है तो. So you have to give valuable data here so that people can go through. They should find it valuable for their step, and then you can proceed ahead. So this is how we go for email marketing, and I have shared this through the software Sendinblue, right? You can use this also. I hope this is clear to all of you. Is it clear, guys? Please text me in the chat box. Okay, and tomorrow I'll be telling you many more like this, right? Many more such in detail, right? So for today, I'll be stopping my session here, and then tomorrow I'll make more things available. Okay, so this much for today. We'll continue in the next session.